Fits for 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006 Silverado Sierra trucks with factory-installed cab lights. 2007 Silverado Sierra Classic trucks. Every kit features super strong ABS plastic lenses which have been UV treated so they will not fade from prolonged exposure to sunlight and weather elements. This white cab marker light is just for off-road use. It may be illegal in some countries. Please check your local laws and regulations before purchasing. Direct replacement for the OEM installed cab marker lights. Part number 264155 BK. Modification or drilling might be required. Professional installation is highly recommended. Easy to install. Just remove your factory cab marker lights and bolt these in their place. Hardwire with 2-wire pigtails, black is ground and red is positive. Top reviews from the United States. HOOAH. The hardest part was having to climb on the truck to mount them. Used the connectors included to tie into the existing wires and voila. I was able to use the existing mounts and pegs with a little patience getting them in the holes.